PSC question: if a clock takes 33 seconds to strike 12, then how long it will take to strike 6? See, half of 12 is 6. So don't you think that half of 33 will be the answer? No, it is wrong. So between 12 strikes, 1, 2, 3, like that up to 12 strike, we have 11 in the 1 to 2, 1, 2 to 3, again 1, like that. We have 11 intervals or 11 gaps. 11 intervals. So, one interval takes how much time? That is, one strike is equal to, time taken for one strike is equal to 33 by 11 is equal to 3 seconds. For 6 strikes, we have 5 intervals. So, 5 into 3 equals 15. 15 seconds takes. Okay.